So today the pre-training for the quadcopter. Okay, this is the basic structure of quadcopter. Okay, this is the quadcopter. In quadcopter, this is the BLDC motors. Okay, BLDC motors stand for brushless DC motors. Okay, with the three terminals, red one, yellow, and black. Okay, other part is the propellers. Okay, this is the propellers that can be assembled on this BLDC motors. Okay, and this is the main part of the quadcopter. This is the ESC. Okay, ESC is like electronic speed controller. ESC is totally responsible for the control the BLDC motors. Okay, so first of all we can assemble the propellers on motors. Okay, see how to assemble the motors propellers. Okay, see, this is the screw, put it on the motors. Okay, see, and we can make the propellers. Okay, so tight the propellers. See, outside you can put it on the motors and assemble. Okay, see, see, two propellers are assembled. Third one, wait. How to assemble the propellers.
Fine, absolutely. You can just have a one-on-one discussion with partner regarding this. Once you do the payment, you can just send the image to them.
See, last one, you can connect the propellers. All the propellers are assembled. Okay, so see, then we can connect the ESC. Okay, the three wires in ESC and three wires in motors. Okay, so we connect the ESC with motors. Okay, see, first one, the second one, and the third one. Okay, ESC is connected and the second one is, so see the wires and connect with the motors. Okay, the third ESC, electronic speed controller, connect with the third motor. Okay, serially. See, three ESCs are connected with motors and last one. All ESCs are connected. Okay. First of all, we know about the quadcopter. Okay, what is quadcopter? The quadcopter is a quad rotor because 4 motors are connected. Okay, 4 motor connectors is like called the quad rotor helicopter. Okay, that is lifted and propelled by a rotors. Okay, see, this is totally responsible for the propeller. Okay, quadcopter generally used two pairs of identical fixed pitched propellers. Okay, see these two propellers are connected. Okay, and move the clockwise, and other two is counterclockwise. Okay, the application of the quadcopter is in research platform, military operations, photography, drone delivery, humanitarian operations, art, and sports. Okay, so second important thing in quadcopter is the processor. Okay, this is the main processor like APM 2.8. Okay, this is the updated version of APM 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, and this is the updated version APM 2.8. Okay, see, this is the APM 2.8. This is the controller of the quadcopter. Okay, see, what is APM 2.8? APM 2.8 multi-copter flight controller. It is a complete open source autopilot system. Okay, with the help of this, we can give the commands on this processor, and with the help of this command, the quadcopter is flight. Okay, see, with the connections of the APM 2.8. Okay, see, this is the in quadcopter. These are the outputs pins. Okay, these are the input pins, and this is the telemetry bit. Okay, so know about the telemetry. Telemetry is a two GPS. Okay, two GPS connector. We connect with the I2C and second with the GPS. Okay, so PM. Okay, see, the PM is a power module. We can connect the power module with the APM board. Okay, with PM pin. Okay, and these are the pins used for the sensors. Okay, we can connect the sensors or camera module. Okay, and bottom pins are used for the LED interfacing. Okay, see, and we can see this is the direction of forward direction of quadcopter. Okay, we can assemble on this. Okay, and this is the forward direction of APM and quadcopter. Okay, so we can connect with the ESCs. ESCs give for the inputs. Okay, so we can connect with the inputs. Okay, these are 8 inputs. You can connect first one serially. Okay, first motor, second motor, the third motor, and fourth is the fourth motor. Okay, see, 4 motors are connected in the puts. Okay, 1 to 8. Okay, and so you can tell me about the specification. This is the APM 2.8. This is the APM 2.8. You can give the input voltage 12 volt to 16 volt DC. Okay, you can give the 16 to 12 volt to 16 volt DC. Okay, in this APM 2.8, there are many inbuilt sensor. Okay, like 3-axis gyrometers. Okay, accelerometers and high performance barometers. Okay, and this is the processor ATmega 2560 and ATmega 32U, and the weight of this APM 2.8 is 82 gram. Okay, So what is the features of APM 2.8? Okay, with Arduino compatible. Okay, and onboard 4 megabyte data flash chip for automatic data logging. Okay, this is the features of APM 2.8. Okay. So in the quadcopter, with the help of quadcopter, we can do many things. Okay, like told about the applications, like research platform. We can research many things with quadcopters and military operations in the wars, and the photography. We can take the photographs of the ordnance area. Okay, and the journalism. With in many countries use the drone delivery. Okay, with the help of drone, the some instruments are delivered one place to another place. Okay, with the in sports, we can see the in the cricket matches, the quadcopters are many drones are used for taking the live pictures, are taking to the live videos. Okay, so we can how to the very good query, how to calibrate the quadcopter. Okay, first of all, download the software. Okay, mission planner from ardopilot.org. Okay, ARDUPILOT ardopilot.org. Okay, after install the software, then go to the option connect the APM 2.8 with PC software. Okay, PC APM 2.8 with the PC. Okay, then let's move in the initial setup. In initial setup, lots of options give there in the box. Okay, like car, quadcopter, octocopter, hectocopter, planes. Okay, so we can various things connect with the APM 2.8. Okay, we can then after setup, we can choose the quadcopter and install the firmware of quadcopter. Okay, then set up the quadcopter 3.4.5 watt. Okay, then after that we can calibrate the aerials. Okay, then accelerometer calibration is very important because without accelerometer calibration not possible calibrate the angles and tilts in the motors. Okay, then when can calibrate the compass, then calibrate the radio and flight modes. Okay, if you want the video or links for calibration, okay, so please message me on DM. Okay, thank you so much. Okay.